Hello everyone and welcome to Hacker4Help. In this video we'll be solving a PicoCtf challenge called cookies. This comes under the web exploitation category. The question description says, who doesn't love cookies? Try to figure out the best one. We have not been given any hints, but we're being given a website. So let's see where it takes us. We see a website which says, welcome to my cookie search page. See how much I like different kinds of cookies. And the placeholder text says snickerdoodle. So let's try to type in snickerdoodle and hit search. It says I love snickerdoodle cookies, and that is a cookie, not very special though. It seems that we need to find a special cookie. Now let's press home button. Now let us try typing some random name, suppose random cookie. The message says that does not appear to be a valid cookie. Alright, to solve this question we may require burpsuite. Now if you don't know what burpsuite is a proxy program that allows us to track, examine and alter requests that are sent from the website to the distant server. So if you don't have burpsuite, you can download it from this link, and you need to set it up before we solve the question. So let's open burpsuite. We need to start a new temporary project and start burp. Inside burpsuite we go to the proxy tab and we click on open browser. Now this will open a browser inside burpsuite itself, which we can intercept using burpsuite. Now let's open this link on our burpsuite browser. Okay, so we see that this link is open. Now we need to turn intercept on, and turning intercept on will allow us to control requests being sent to the server, and we can view it and alter it as well. So let's type snickerdoodle again and hit search. You can see that a post request is being sent first. When we look at the request being sent, we see that the name is set as snickerdoodle, which is what we typed here, and the value of the cookie name is -1 in this request, and everything else seems fine. Let's hit forward. So we see the next request, which is a get request, and in this request the value of the cookie name is changed to 0, and everything else seems fine, and that's it. This takes us to the result and says that is a cookie, not very special. Now let's try typing in an invalid cookie. We pressed home and forwarded all requests. Now we're back home, and let's type the random cookie and hit search. As you can see, the first request is pretty much the same except the name equal to random cookie, which is the value that we entered. When we forward this request a little bit different, as we can see. If we see the request for the valid cookie, there is a check parameter here, and also the cookie name is equal to 0 there. So let's try changing this to 0 as well. Hopefully, yes, this gives I love snickerdoodle cookies, as if the parameter was snickerdoodle. Even though we entered a random name, the result came I love snickerdoodle cookies, and we see that doesn't appear to be a valid cookie came first. That is because we typed an valid name, but the final result we got that of a valid cookie. So this basically means that the value of the cookie name when it contains 0, it corresponds to snickerdoodle cookie. So let's try changing the value of the cookie name to different numbers. Let's type snickerdoodle again, and first request is same, we hit forward. The second request, we change this cookie name to 1 and hit forward. Now we see a different cookie. I love chocolate chip cookies. So the cookie name value 1 corresponds to chocolate chip cookies. After trial and error with all the numbers, when we enter 18 in the cookie name field and press forward, we see that we get a flag. So finally we got our flag, and now we can paste it in our PicoCtf website and submit, and we earn 40 points. Thank you.